Guys, so I thought I'd give you another update on this one. This was totally killed off with Roundup at the start of the year, at the start of the season, shall we say. And it's been a very slow lawn to take shape. So we did the renovation probably March, going into April time, I can't quite remember. And after about 4 weeks, there was literally nothing on this left hand side, but it was just starting to come through on the right hand side. Fast forward maybe 3 or 4 weeks after that, the right hand side was lovely and thick, and there was the odd little bit coming through now. So here we are now, a few months after it was done. We haven't put any more seeds on at all. We've just put one feed and weed on, and I'm really pleased with the result. So we've got nice thick grass over on this left hand side, so it's come through absolutely fine. It was just a case of waiting. And a lot of these patches in the middle where they had some heavy rain and I think some squirrels had been burying some nuts, they're starting to fill in. Actually, they're a lot smaller and a lot less than what they were. And then there's just a few little dark patches where some animals been in and using it as a toilet. So overall, we've still got some weeds, so we're going to get a feed and weed on, and I'm going to sign this one off as done. But I thought you guys would like to see the finished result, because we have been back to it a couple of times and I've taken some footage. But overall, looking good, looking good. What I have said is to the customer is that in autumn I will come back here and just put a bit of seed in the little bare spots. But let's just concentrate on getting it thick and healthy now. Mowing regular, mowing not too short, fertiliser and weed killer, keep everything down, and we'll take it from there. Now the hedge has just been cut back, so I've got a little bit of stress in the lawn where the gardener's been trimming the hedge and it was overhanging a little bit, but that should come back. I think there's some ant issues, but overall, even in this corner, all good. Right, if you like this video, one of them would be great, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.